everyone from Kaza. We are staying at this Himachal Pradesh tourism accommodation. This is the best for the price and the way you get the services like parking of the main gate.
So this is the condition of the bikes due to yesterday's ride. So dirty. You can see the condition of the helmets.
1 hour later.
Homa, it's actually very cold. It's 9 degrees and on top of that it is raining. आज तो लगने वाले हैं. Head to Key Monastery first क्योंकि कल देखना नहीं हुआ. मनाली के बाद you will find fuel station in Kaza and उसके बाद I think पो तक नहीं है. There is a place called पो, POOH, तो वहाँ तक नहीं है. But my range is 306, so I can go at least till Po. Actually यहाँ पे भरवाने का देख रहे हैं fuel. But first we'll go to Key Monastery, then Hikim post office, then we'll see. I'm fully packed with rain gear, waterproof gloves. गाड़ी इतना गंदा है, horrible. और बैटरी भी बहुत जल्द से ख़त्म हो रहा है. GoPro 15 किलोमीटर्स बिफोर काजा बैटरी डाउन हो गया, ख़त्म. एक्चुअली बैटरी जो है पूरा डे आता था, बट अभी इस ठंड के वजह से वी आर ओनली गेटिंग हाफ अ डे. चलो अभी थोड़ा कम हुआ है बारिश, वरना इतना ज़ोर से गिरा था. यू जस्ट चेक दिस माउंटेन्स completely covered with clouds. Kibbar ki oh, Monastery Venkala, you see the clouds. That is the Key Monastery on a mountain, at the edge of the mountain, and this is the cloud passing by. We came all the way up, and so this is the aerial view of Key Monastery in 3, 2, 1, go. So this was the drone shot of Key Monastery. It's completely surrounded with clouds as of now, and it's drizzling. So hope footage was good. And just look at the landscape. Snow गिरता अगर थोड़ा टेम्परेचर कम होता, like 2-3 degrees. अभी तो 7 है, and time right now is 10 o'clock. We are going to Hikim, Dahesh post office. I hope the road is like this till Hikim, and it's hardly 14 kilometers from here, and will take 38 minutes. Oh my god, it is like half snowing. We are stuck here. You can see both the vehicles. Just look at this shoes. నువ్వు ఫ్రంట్ క్రాష్ బార్ లాగు ఇట్లా, నేను ఇది ఇట్లా లాగుతా సైడ్ స్టాండ్ మీద. రెడీ? యూఆర్ ఇన్ గేర్. అబ్బా అందుకే పోవట్లే అప్పటి నుంచి. Chalo, I am trying to go up. One by one we'll go. ఇంకొక లూప్ చేస్తే విల్ గో అప్. ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఇట్స్ ఈజీలీ కమ్. OMG, just look at this slush adventure. My engine is completely covered with mud. Brake pads are covered with mud. Oh shit. Now we are at Kamik, highest village in the world connected with motorable road at 4,587 meters. OMG, now it looks more beautiful. ये है हिक्किम, where you find the highest post office. हम नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि रोड बहुत ही ख़राब है. टू व्हीलर्स थोड़ा मुश्किल. We can what he said was we can get down, okay, slowly also we can get down, but the problem is you can't come up because even these guys can't come up, it seems. They have to go down itself. There is another road to go to Kaza, it seems, which is mud road. From there they will be going. Oh, this is black, completely slush. कहीं पे होगा post office. I think the red one which you are seeing there, I think that is the one. It's time to refuel. Full tank कर लिया तो no tension till शिमला. बहुत ही ख़राब हो गया गाड़ी. I need a pressure wash for sure. It's afternoon 2 o'clock and we are heading towards Nako. So this is the road condition from Kaza to Nako. It's better compared to the Manali Kaza road. वो रोड तो completely construction में है. ये road, I think they maintained the old road. They have not started any renovation, and it is going through this valley. We did not have our lunch. We are checking good place to eat. So whichever we find, we'll stop there and we'll have lunch for now. This is the road condition. Initially it was good, but we are back to bad roads. और सुबह से बारिश गिरने की वजह से पूरा स्लश से भर गया है. And we are almost reaching Tabo. 2 किलोमीटर में आ जाएगा. And I think we'll finally find a place to eat. We are hungry. Time is 3:15. Hoping to get a place to eat.
A few moments later.
Started from Tabo. We just had lunch here at 4 o'clock. After reaching Nako, we'll see if we can go ahead. We are trying to reach closer to Shimla, क्योंकि कल अगर आज ज़्यादा कवर कर लिए तो कल शिमला आसान से पहुंच जाएंगे. अभी बात करते हैं स्पीति के बारे में. एक्चुअली स्पीति इज़ गुड, but if you do Ladakh and come to Spiti, then it looks similar, and you feel Ladakh is much better in terms of the road conditions and the places to stay, because Spiti is, I felt like it is a bit back compared to Ladakh. As we did Ladakh and then came to Spiti without taking any break, we are feeling Spiti a bit boring. I think from here the roads are good. This is amazing actually. Kada? Ba. Now I'm a bit relief. The road is like just there are a lot of places where ऐसे landslides हुए हैं. Apart from that, the road is good. Have to be careful. पता नहीं कब गिरे हैं ये. So, but the view and the road is just fabulous. I hope that this continues till Shimla. एक बार शिमला पहुंच गए, from there Chandigarh 2 hours, and then it's completely 4-lane to home. आराम से हैदराबाद पहुंच सकते हैं. Like it is almost the end of the trip. There's landslide happened और पत्थर पूरे रोड पे आ गए. Have to wait till it is cleared. You can see it's so fragile. कभी भी गिर सकता है पत्थर यहाँ पे. They are sending from other side only. Oh my god, we have crossed the actual landslide. अभी नहीं हुआ, कभी भी हो सकता है. एक के बाद एक भेज रहे हैं. Yeah, that's the thing na. It might fall any time. There will be a road like a cave. So that road is here after crossing Nako when you are coming from Manali side. If you are coming from Shimla side, it's before Nako. It's between Nako and Poo. So this is the actual route which goes from a valley, inside a valley. There are two rivers which will meet here. One is Spiti, which is coming from that side, and Satluj, which is coming from this side. And this is the place where they meet. Two rivers, Satluj and Spiti. Bro, welcome you at the divine Sangam of Satluj and Spiti river. Wow, this is where the two rivers meet. There is again change in plan. पहले सोचा कि नाको में रुकेंगे, फिर सोचा पो में रहेंगे, बट अभी आगे निकल रहे हैं. For next 60 kilometers we'll be heading on to this highway. Rekongpyu करके एक जगह है, वहाँ पे we are targeting that place. Main reason is, first thing, road अच्छा है. Second main thing is temperature 23 degrees है. So that is the main reason we are continuing it. और बारिश भी नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So it is a good thing, good sign for us to continue. जितना शिमला के नज़दीक जाए उतना अच्छा. We are having dinner in Rekongpyu. So time is 9 o'clock.